Hey, are you a newbie into Facebook ads and want to learn Facebook ads completely from scratch? Then stay till the end of this video because this is the series of Facebook ads where you will learn Facebook ads from a beginner to the advanced level. And I'm going to cover each and every aspect of Facebook ads. So stay till the end of this video because in this video I'm going to cover the three foundational pillars you require to run Facebook ads. So before starting the video, please subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the video, you will get the notification. Also, don't forget to click on that bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the video, you will get the notification. Now, to start with our Facebook ads, you require three things. First is your normal Facebook account, then is your Facebook page, and then is your Facebook ads manager. And I'm also going to cover who requires Facebook business manager and who don't require Facebook business manager. So first you require a normal Facebook account. Now anyone can create a normal Facebook account. It is normal that anyone knows or everyone has a Facebook account. So let's talk about a Facebook page, then we'll talk the difference between the Facebook page and the Facebook group. First let's see how you can create a Facebook page. So let's jump into Chrome and let me log in into my Facebook account. All right, so are you able to see this plus, this create button? Then just click on this create button and you can create a group from here and page from here. There are normal steps. Anyone can create it, or if you face any difficulty then just watch any another YouTube video on how you can create a page or an Facebook group. Now let's jump into what is the difference between a Facebook page and a Facebook group. Now Facebook page is generally used by businesses or a personal brand, who a person who has a personal brand. You can gain likes to a particular page. Anyone can view and like your page. Nobody needs to ask permission to like your page. Advertising on your pages are allowed. You can create ads for your pages and bring traffic to your official page. The photos and videos which you post on your pages, you can promote that through Facebook ads or Instagram ads and bring traffic to your page and increase likes and followings of your page. And the group is generally a discussion forum or a community. It is just like a WhatsApp group where you can communicate with each other. You can go into a group, you can post video, audio or something like that. But in pages, it is the official page of a business where you can just engage with the posts of a business, and you cannot post in on pages on another's pages. But while when you are in a group, you can post into that group and discuss with the other fellow persons in that group. You can also invite and maintain members in the group. You don't have to be friends to enter in a specific group. Only profile can join or post. You cannot promote your group because it is just like a WhatsApp group. You cannot promote your WhatsApp group same as you cannot promote your Facebook group. You can only view this group through a link which is shared with the person who owns that group. And the main difference between the page and the group is pages is run by businesses to just create an online presence, their official online presence, and group is mainly a discussion forum. Just remember this thing. Now what is Facebook ads manager? Now you will ask me why you need Facebook ads manager when we can boost post. Now what is boost post? I'll just show you an example of boost post. Let me just go into my pages and let's look into some post. Suppose this is a post and I click on this boost post. So here you don't see any detailed targeting. You will directly get an audience, a pixels and something like that. You don't get a detailed targeting. You can only target the location, age, and something like that. I never do this because it is not a detailed targeting and you will lose your money. So we need a Facebook ads manager in which we can target people related to their interest, related to the demographics, related to the area which you want to run ads. And there are a lot of stuff. Do you want people to see ad on a tablet or on a specific mobile? Do you want that people should see only a person who has an Android mobile should see your ad, or only a person who has an iPhone should see your ad? This is called the detailed targeting, which you can do in Facebook ads manager, which you cannot do while boosting posts. So just remember that you will lose money while you are boosting any of the posts, so avoid boosting posts. Now where you will see the Facebook ads manager, you just need to I'll just go back to home. And how will I show you now? Yeah, so here it is, the Facebook ads manager. Now I have just made the screen small, so you will see this section here, this side. And you, in that section, you will see, you can click on this see more button and you will see it down somewhere here. But I generally log in from here only, so you can log in as Facebook ads manager from here. And there are the basic procedure. You need to enter your name and your email ID and your phone number, something like that, and you will enter into the Facebook ads manager. Now I'll make a complete detailed video on the interface of Facebook ads, but in this video we are just getting ready with the foundational pillars to run Facebook ads. So we'll just cover this Facebook ads into another video. So now let's jump into our mind node, and our next point is Facebook. I covered Facebook ads manager. Now who requires a business manager? Now what is a Facebook business manager? Facebook business manager is generally where you can manage several ad accounts and several pages of the people. Suppose you are a agency owner, you are a freelancer, or you are a digital marketing marketer, and you have clients and you manage multiple accounts of your clients. Then you need Facebook business manager, where you can assign roles to your employees, and you can assign roles to that employees. You can give the access to your page and all the stuff. This is generally used by agencies, freelancer, and digital marketers. If you are not giving access to any of this, so, to agencies or to freelancer or a digital marketing, and you want to do it on your own, then you don't need to register for Facebook business manager. You can just create ads using Facebook ads manager. You don't need Facebook business manager in that case. If you are thinking of giving your ad management to any digital marketer, freelancer, or any agency, then you can register to Facebook business manager. You can just go on business.facebook.com, I suppose. You can just go there, or just Google it, Facebook business manager, and you will just get the result, and you can register for the Facebook business manager. All right, these were the three main foundational pillars you require, which are Facebook ad, Facebook page, and Facebook ads manager. This is optional, so I have not added that in this. All right, thank you so much for watching this video till the end and investing couple of your minutes into this valuable video. And I'm going to cover all these stuffs in next video. This, as you know, this is a series of Facebook ads, and you're learning Facebook ads completely from a scratch, and you can run Facebook ads for your business to grow your business and to get a lot of sales, and also create your own personal brand. So thank you so much for watching this video, and also you can follow me on Instagram to get more updates and to learn more about digital marketing. Link is given in the description. Also subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon, so that whenever I'll upload the video, you will get the notification straight away. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, keep learning and executing.